What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Central Florida Fishermen. Don't got a hat on, feel a little naked without a hat. We're going to load the action craft up, get the GMC hooked up to it here, and we're gonna run down to the islands. It's a nice day, Saturday. Rough day to get out and fish, but we're gonna take the dogs down to the islands and get them out of the house and let them run a little bit. But I am bringing some rods. Got a couple lures. I'm not going to get any live bait. I'll take the cast net if I find a mullet or two, which I'm sure we will with the mullet run going on. But we'll throw that in and just see what we can catch and just enjoy the day and enjoy the dogs out running. But we got a hurricane. Well, it's not a hurricane yet, but it's something that just formed into the Gulf, and it'll be here at the beginning of the week. So not looking forward to that. Hopefully it doesn't hit anybody, but I know it's going to hit somebody. I just don't want it to hit me. If so, I got a lot of prep work to do around here to get that done this week, which I'm not looking forward to. You lose 2 days, really. One day putting up the shutters and getting everything put away because I got so much stuff sitting around, chairs, umbrellas, and just a bunch of other crap I should have cleaned up a while ago and didn't. But I got to get the generator out, get it fired up just in case. But hopefully we don't need to do all that, but I'm gonna be ready to do all that because you got to stay on top of these things and stay prepared. But today, that action craft's coming out. So I'll see you guys on the water. Out to the island, got the dogs. The main reason we came out so they can do their thing and swim and just get some energy out. They're stuck around the house all day. But they're dumping all the water, it looks like, off the St. John's, trying to get the marsh drained out before this storm gets here. This water is tannic, super fresh water. It looks like we're in the St. John's right now. That's how tannic and brown the water is. Look at this over here. And she's out there swimming. Dogs love it here. So do I. But we'll try to throw here, see if we catch anything. Not gonna say it's highly unlikely. It's hard to say if this water has a fish a little shook up or shocked. We'll see though. The temperature of it's nice. But I'll get a rod ready and do a couple casts here, see if anything's biting. Bunch of goobers. Huh? Bunch of goobers. Well, I guess you won't do that again, will you, dummy? Huh? No, they're right here still. Yep. There we go, got something. Nice snapper. I got a nice snapper. good mangrove. That is a good mangrove right there. Not what's out there though. He's just in these trees here. Whatever's chasing the bait out there is a lot bigger. The shit biting me. What? These, whatever these things are on my legs.
What do you mean?
These little
in the water?
Bugs under the water.
Under the water?
Yeah, these things.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not getting bit. You see them on your leg?
Yeah.
Why are they not over here?
Look at them all.
I don't see them. I can't see that far. Don't bring them over here. Sea lice?
Maybe, yeah.
Should we be getting out of the water?
Huh?
Is it out of the water? Come here over
So
here.
wondering what was biting me.
Not over here.
It was in them trees. These little things here. Look at them.
What does it look like?
I don't know, these little bugs.
Bugs, is that?
Huh? Well, they're bugs for sure. They're coming out of the water. They're coming out of the water. Look at that one. Whatever that is biting the crap out of me.
I'm not getting bit by anything.
Well, no, they're not over here. They're in them trees.
Come in the water over here and get it off of you. Maybe they'll go back in the water and leave you alone.
That started to suck. I'm like, am I imagining this? It's almost like jellyfish stings. I'm like,
Now 10 seconds in.
am I being stung by jellyfish? I'm like, nah, it can't be. Gotta be maybe where the no-see-ums bit me earlier.
The dog is so tired. He doesn't know what to do with himself.
It's a tricky spot to fish with all these logs. Oh, a lot of bait right here. Man, I don't know where I'll get him at. Some monster snook.
You might have to go out there.
Trying to get through these trees.
Go on out there. Keep walking.
Look out, folks.
Nice.
Clean them off real quick. Ooh. That's a good snook right there. Out of nowhere. What do you think, Berries? What do you think of that? He's probably slot. Like, he's probably a keeper.
He's beautiful.
Do you want to eat him?
No.
No? All right, well then let's get him put away. What do you think?
I mean, do you want to eat him? Let him go.
Huh?
He's gorgeous.
Let's let him swim free.
Don't let the dogs get near him.
Huh?
Don't let the dogs get near him.
Oh, they won't. He's beautiful. A she. This is a she.
How do you know?
Because when they get this big, they turn from male to female.
What?
Yeah. Go, big girl.
There she goes.
Babies.
All right, high five on that.
All right, that's stoked.
And now
A
we
lot
can.
of casts at nothing for a long time. Didn't even have the camera on. Was just like, I'll just keep casting here until maybe something happens. Something happened. Get it. There we go. There's something good right there. Oh, boy, something else big. Come on, get out of the trees. Get out of the trees. Oh, look at this black drum. That's a good black drum. Let me see if I can get him in here. Another good fish, another good black drum. That's a good eating size right there. But fortunately for them, I'm not keeping anything today. Everything's going back. But what a beautiful fish. I mean, another good fish. Let's get him back in here. Today, everything lives. There he goes. Gonna keep on going, see what else we can get. There we go. Something good here. Man, he's heading over this way. I'm gonna have to get him out of this tree. Oh, that's a bruiser of a trout. That's a gator right there. Let me get my hands wet. Barely hooked in the lip. What a good fish. That's a beautiful trout. That's a nice gator trout. I want to get him back in the water. Can't have him out too long. They're very fragile fish. There he goes. Booyah. All right, let's see what else is out here. I'll get my camera lens cleaned off. Little bait fish are tearing up my bait. There we go. Another little snook. Ouch. Oh man, them spines on these snook are sharp. If you ever wonder why I'm very cautious on grabbing them, it's because these spines will tear you up. These spines right here get you. They're sharp. These gill plates like razor blades. that spine, but just a good little snook. We'll keep on playing here. Get him back in there. Ooh, gave us an extra jump at the end. He likes us. All right, there we hooked into something. Tell you what, everything always goes for this tree right here. Gotta try to get around these trees. Bring him back in. Oh, he got off. Monster gator trout. Look at him. Look at that trout. That thing is gorgeous. All right. Well, that's it. That's going to wrap it up. Got these guys home. They're getting in the pool right now. I got to clean the boat, get all that done, flush the motor out. But pretty successful day. I'm pretty stoked on how today went. I'm going to get back out there. I'm gonna get back on the fish. We got this hurricane coming, so I got to get stuff prepared for that and make sure the gutters are cleaned out. And I got a couple downspouts I gotta lift from down under the ground to above the ground because it seems like they're backed up down in the ground somewhere, but we'll get that all fixed. But until the next video, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, support the channel. Keeps me going, keeps me getting out there. I got some hunts coming up this weekend. We're gonna get out there, get some hogs, get some meat in the freezer. Everybody, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.